First, take body substance isolation precautions and apply manual stabilization to the injured extremity. I'll pass this off to my partner.
At this time, you may apply the ankle hitch.
Pulse. Move your toes. Can you feel me touching?
Yes.
Now I'll apply manual traction, supporting the leg, pulling down and up. I'll hand this off to my partner, who will never release manual traction until mechanical traction has been fully applied.
Apply the ischial strap. Next, secure the ankle hitch and apply mechanical traction. Secure all support straps.
Pulse. Can you move your toes? And can you feel me touching?
Finally, verbalize securing the patient's torso and the splint to a long backboard.